Save this video if you want to have a go-to list of everything you need to get started with Guidance Residential. Here it goes. Number 1, personal information, full name, date of birth, social security, contact details. Number 2, income and employment documents, recent pay stubs, typically last 30 days, W-2 forms for the last 2 years, tax returns for the last 2 years, if self-employed, bank statements for the last 2 months, employment verification that we will do. Number 3, credit and financial history, credit check. Guidance Residential will review your credit and score. List of debts and monthly expenses, loans, credit cards, car payments. Number 4, property and financing details, estimated home price range, expected down payment, typically 5% to 20%, preferred financing terms, for example, 15 years, 20 or 30 years. Number 5, proof of identity and residency, driver license if you're a citizen, green card or a passport, social security card if applicable. Most of the time, we don't need it. What happens next? Guidance Residential will review your financial details to determine how much home you can afford. Once pre-approved, you'll receive a pre-approval letter to show to the seller and the realtors. Pre-approval helps you to shop for homes with confidence, knowing your financing is ready.